Okay, so I've been sick for like ever. It's been a whole issue, putting me super behind on creating YouTube content and social media content. So I figured this was the perfect time to show you how easy it is for you to create content with a little bit of help from your girl while I take my kid, right there, that kid, to soccer practice. Because you can do your social media scheduling easily from anywhere. Let me show you. Do your homework. By the way, my name is Desiree, here to help make social media simple for you. So when we're talking about life and things happening and all the stuff that's going on, whether you work for a company, whether you own your own business, or whether you're just an individual trying to figure out, there's always stuff going on that can interfere with our process and making things happen. So it's important to make sure that we simplify what we're doing with our process and that we keep it easy, which is what I want to show you. And I'm going to do this while my son plays soccer, because there's nothing more relatable in this world than a mom at soccer practice. Grab your coat, please. It's okay. We'll be all right. Mwah. Okay, let's go. Hey, pass it to me. Ready? He's way over there. Okay, so what's cool about this place is that they understand that parents come and that they work, so there's a whole station. But it's still loud, there's still people, it's still awkward to record in front of other people, so be aware. Okay, so first things first, one of the things that I'm always doing, and it's one of those things I'm kind of always encouraging you to do, is you want to make sure that you are always kind of capturing content, taking photos, whatever's going on in your life. And you do this anyway because you have kids, or if you have things to do, you take pictures and you do stuff. So this is a perfect opportunity to record content that you can use at a later date. You can, with this plan, with this spreadsheet of 50 Instagram reels that anyone can use, because there's templates within Instagram that make it very easy for you to do this. You're gonna wanna be able to have content. You can know how many pieces of content you need to create. So there's a list of everything you need, and it tells you how many content pieces that you need so that you can do it. So let's pull out our phone and do this. Okay, so right here, as you can see, there is a whole list of our videos that we can pick from. We can go to the side and we have our number of media. So we can kind of think, okay, based on what I've done or based on what I've made or knowing what I need to make, these are how many content pieces I need to make based on these Instagram Reel templates. Now I'm keeping it simple today. I'm gonna pick this one that has 3 because I only wanna keep it simple with what I have. So I have these 3 and I have this link and I'm just gonna click this link and it's gonna take me straight to Instagram. And what it's gonna do is it's gonna give me this simple template that I can do. Now, how do you know it's a template? It has this thing right here in the corner above the person's profile picture. It says use template, and that's what we're going to do. We're gonna click it, and as you can see, we have 3. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 media pieces that we need, and they're gonna be videos or photos that are gonna be on the screen for 0.9 seconds, 1 second, or 4.2 seconds. So I wanna just go into my camera roll, and I'm gonna pick some video content that I wanted to create to focus on whatever my messaging may be. So in the case of this, I'm gonna be talking about creating content anywhere that you go, or any opportunity that you can is an opportunity to create content. So scroll through my phone. I recently was in New York. I was able to get a lot of good opportunities for this. So I'm gonna talk about that. I think I'm gonna start with being on a plane. I think a plane is a great place to create content. BT dubs. Okay, so let's see. We've got this one, this photo, sky situation, and then being in New York City is gonna be my next one. So I have that. So I have my clips, it's gonna process it and it's gonna upload them for me to minimize the thing. So I have what it was, what was going on, and then I have my long clip of welcome to New York, okay? I'm gonna hit next, and then this is where I can go in. I have the audio that goes with it. I can add my text onto my screen and I can do my messaging from there. Sizing it, make it look the way I want it to. So I can hit my beat that I'm trying to do. I'm gonna hit my next button. Okay, then I select my cover. So again, because I am usually creating content in different places, I might have a photo I would want to use specifically, but I also can add it from my device as well if that's what I so want to do, which in this case I do. Just gotta find my clip. This one. Okay, so up in the sky, high as diamonds, like that's what we're at. So we're gonna add this to our device and we're going to hit done. Then we're gonna go write our message. Now you can have your message already done. If you are someone who plans out their content ahead of time and you have like messages that you can do that you can copy and paste in, like go for it. This is one of those moments, again, I'm out and about, I'm doing something kind of organic, so I want to simplify my content creation process by using existing content that I already have and then doing it and then putting together a quick message about what's going on. And so literally what I'm going to do is talk about how the fact that I made this reel while being at my son's soccer practice, because that's what we're here to do, okay? So let's talk about this. Okay. Then we're gonna go into our topics. Right. Now, gonna go over to my Insta, my profile, and I have my photo, my reel, right here for everyone to see. Right, and that's it. And you can see here's my message, all my stuff, and that was done. So that's it. That's how simple it is. Creating social media is easy. It can be done anywhere, but using the right tools in place so that you can do it. It was very awkward recording this video here in my son's soccer indoor stadium thing. People watching and all the sound going on. It was more important to me that I showed up for you, and it's important for you to show up for yourself and your business. So go grab my spreadsheet that I have for you. It's 50 Instagram templates that you can use anywhere for any reason so that you can simplify your content creation process. The link to that is down in the description below. And if you want to know more about how you can be creating your content, watch this video right here. It's going to help you out with that, I promise.